So here we are at the back of my big Ford, and as you can see, the bumper is completed. It's been completed for some time, but I've been neglecting to video it. Hadn't done much to it other than put the D-rings on and welded on a receiver hitch and installed some lights. That's what the bumper came out looking like. Okay, another update. As you can see back here, I now have a radiator in the back. That's off of a 94 or 5 model Toyota car, and if my truck gets hot while I'm out ripping and roaring in the mud, I can cut on those fans and it'll cool it right back down. This is in series. This radiator is in series with my front radiator. As we go around, you can see there where the pipe goes through from the front radiator to the rear radiator. And here's my MP205 transfer case, and I just recently got a PTO for it, so hopefully there will be a PTO winch installed in the near future. Now as we come around, I painted my front bumper black, and I think y'all seen all this. And then under here, you can see where I recently broke a universal joint, and these outers right here are already chromoly, but the inners are not, so I guess I'm going to have to upgrade to chromoly inners and go with some stronger forged universal joints. That's my new track bar. It uses Heim joints instead of bushings. And other than that, I think everything else is roughly the same as when you last saw it. So I hope this video has been somewhat informative, and go watch my many other videos on Fords and other mud trucks.